Alright, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Riska and then my ID number is A121236160. So today we can talk about the objects and then my objects about remote control technology. So let's start it. Alright, so here is an English version of your comparison between modern metal and traditional remote controls. When comparing modern metal remote controls to traditional ones, there are several key differences worth noting. The first, material. Modern metal remote controls are commonly constructed from materials like aluminum or stainless steel, whereas traditional remotes are typically made from plastic or rubber. One benefit of choosing a modern metal remote control is its increased durability compared to traditional options. These devices also offer a more premium look and feel. 2. Features. Many modern metal remote controls come equipped with features like Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to control your TV without needing to point the remote directly at it. Some may even include voice command functionality for hands-free operations. On the other hand, traditional remote controls usually have features and simply provide basic button functions. And 3. Cost. Generally speaking, modern metal remote controls will carry a higher price tag than traditional alternatives. With this added expense comes access to cutting-edge technology and enhanced durability. 4. Responsiveness. Thanks to improved Bluetooth and infrared sensors, modern metal remote controls tend to be more responsive than their traditional counterparts. This means you won't need to fiddle around trying to find the right angle or positions when aiming at your TV. These smart remotes take care of it all automatically. 5. Design. Modern metal remote controls boast sleek, minimalist aesthetic combined with ergonomic shapes. While many appreciate their ease of use and stylish appearance, others might prefer the classic design of traditional remote controls, which tends to be slightly bulkier and more rounded, offering a potentially more familiar form factor for long-time users. Of course, here's further information regarding the differences mentioned earlier. So 6. Durability. Due to being constructed from high-quality materials like aluminum and stainless steel, modern remote control have superior durability compared to those built from material like plastic or rubber. Aside from resisting damage when dropped, they stand up better against dust and moisture exposure, ensuring an extended lifespan for this device. Alright, number 7. Efficiency. Modern metal remote controls often have better energy efficiency due to the latest technologies such as Bluetooth. This not only allows for wireless operation without interference, but also helps to prolong battery life. Some modern remote controls even have smart battery management features that tell you when it's time to change or recharge the batteries. 8. Maintains. The low maintenance requirements of modern metal remote control can be represented by their resistance to dust, wear and tear, as well as their flexible design in terms of button positioning. This makes them ideal for activities, households with children and pets. On the other hand, traditional remote controls are more prone to damage due to physical impact and harsh weather conditions. 9. System integrations. Some modern metal remote controls can automatically adapt to work with other devices like televisions, sound systems, and streaming devices. This means you only need one remote to control all your electronic devices. However, traditional remote control are typically only compatible with specific models of electronic devices. So the last, wireless technology. Modern metal remote controls usually use radio frequency or RF or infrared wireless technology. RF signals can penetrate solid objects and enter other rooms without being obstructed, while IR signals can only operate in the same room and require line of sight. To determine if your modern remote control use RF or IR, check the label on the back or the front panel sensor. So that's about the object. So we say thank you and then wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.